Salut mes amis, welcome to Daily Easy French where we learn French with ease and fun. So, in today's video we are going to learn the conjugation of the verb manger, which means to eat, in the present tense in French. We will also do some exercises, or you can say practice dialogue, for your everyday French conversation. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's start with the conjugation. Now, manger is conjugated as mange with je. So, if you want to say I eat or I am eating, then you say in French je mange. I have given the pronunciation of each French phrase and sentence in green. So, all you have to do is just read the pronunciation, listen and repeat after me. So, just repeat after me. Je mange. Very good. Je mange. Now, manger is conjugated as mange with tu. So, if you want to say you eat or you are eating in an informal and singular manner, then you say in French tu manges. Repeat after me. Tu manges. Very good. Next, manger is again conjugated as mange with il. So, if you want to say he eats or he is eating in a masculine and singular manner, then you say in French, il mange. Just repeat after me. Il mange. Very good. Now again, manger is conjugated as mange with L. So, if you want to say she eats or she is eating in a feminine and singular manner, then you say in French, elle mange. Just repeat after me. Elle mange. Very good. Now, manger is conjugated as mangeons with nous. So, if you want to say we eat or we are eating, then you say in French, nous mangeons. Just repeat after me. Nous mangeons. Very good. Now, manger is conjugated as manger with vous. So, if you want to say you eat or you are eating in a formal or a plural manner, then you say in French, vous mangez. Just repeat after me. Vous mangez. Very good. Now, manger is conjugated as mange with eels. So, if you want to say they eat or they are eating in a masculine or a mixed plural group where both men and women or boys or girls are present, then you say in French, ils mangent. Just repeat after me. Ils mangent. Very good. Now, manger is conjugated as mange with L. So, if you want to say they eat or they are eating in a feminine plural group, then you say in French, elle mange. Just repeat after me. Elle mange. Very good. Now you have learned the conjugation of the verb manger, and it's time to test it out. So let's do some fill up the blanks exercises. I'll say the sentence and you try to fill the verb. Okay? Ready? So let's start. Our first sentence is I am eating an apple. Je dash une pomme. Just try and fill. What do you think should come over here? Very good. Je mange une pomme. Very good. Just repeat after me. Je mange une pomme. Very good. Our next sentence is you eat a lot. Tu dash beaucoup. Just try and put the correct conjugation over here also. Yes, you're right. Very good. Tu manges beaucoup. You eat a lot. Repeat after me. Tu manges beaucoup. Very good. Next, our next sentence is he is eating a banana. Just try and conjugate here also. What should come over here? Yes, you are absolutely right. Mange. Il mange une banane. Just repeat after me. Il mange une banane. Very good. Our next sentence is she eats slowly. You just put the correct conjugation here also. Very good. So proud of you. Elle mange lentement. She eats slowly. Elle mange lentement. Very good. Our next sentence is we eat together. Nous dash ensemble. Try and put the correct conjugation here also. Very good. So proud of you. Nous mangeons ensemble. Very good. Just repeat after me. Nous mangeons ensemble. Very good. Our next sentence is you eat too fast. Vous dash trop vite. Try and put the correct conjugation over here also. Wow, so proud of you. Vous mangez trop vite. You eat too fast. Repeat after me. Vous mangez trop vite. Very good. Our next sentence is they are eating vegetables. So, try and put the correct conjugation here also. Yes? Very good. Il mange des légumes. Very good. Just repeat after me. Elle mange des légumes. Very good. Our next sentence is they are eating dinner. Elle dash la dîner. Try and put the correct conjugation here also. Very good. So proud of you again. Elle mange la dîner. Very good. Repeat after me. Elle mange la dîner. Very good. And now you have learned how to conjugate the verb manger like a French foodie. And if you have learned something, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. À la prochaine.